Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had, redemption songs.
My favorite part about being in Sun Chief Sound is the type of music that we do. We do, we have choir for, our classical pieces and stuff, but we have Sun Chief Sound for pop pieces, and we get to dance and stuff with it. So it's more, our day and era kind of music, so I like that.
Won't you help to sing these songs of freedom? 'Cause all I ever had, redemption songs.
Our purpose with Sun Chief Sound is to be a recruiting arm of Faulkner State. We have a diverse group of students who are involved in most every organization on campus. So we represent students who are married, students who have children, students who work, people who live on campus. We have cheerleaders, people in Phi Theta Kappa, powwows. So we represent a cross-section of the student body.
Talking about my girl, my girl.
Our music auditions and Sun Chief Sound auditions are held in the spring. If students can come at the audition times, there are 3 audition dates, and they're listed on our website.
What you want, baby, I got it. What you need, I got it.
The truth that she learned, or the time that she cried, and bridges she burned, or the way that she died. Celebrate good times, come on, Yahoo! Celebrate good times, come on, girl. Come on and say that you will. Come on now, say that you love me, say that you want me, say that you need me, you wanna please me. Come on now, come on now, come on now. I still remember when I used to be 9 years old. Yeah, I was a fool for you from the bottom of my soul. Yeah, now that I found you, I will never let you go. Yeah, but if you ever do, you're gonna hurt me so. And maybe later we can go up to the moon and sail among the stars before the night is through. And when morning comes, we'll see the sun is not so far.
Mr. Ayers, as a director, is a very fun-loving guy. He's very open, and he's very knowledgeable about things when it comes to the music business. And he's not judgmental. Even though he will critique you, he makes you feel like you can be better. You never expect any college to have a program like Sun Chief Sound, let alone a community college.
A lot of scholarship opportunities available for our students, but you don't have to be a music major to receive a music scholarship and perform in Sun Chief Sound. We have instrumental scholarships, we have choral scholarships, and we have dance scholarships. We have a wonderful jazz band here. We have our pet band who plays at the sporting events on campus. And then our Faulkner singers, our choral group, who's performed in Washington and in New York City. Our long-term outcomes for being in a group like Sun Chief Sound would be for students to develop leadership skills, for them to understand team building skills, for them to be able to grow musically, and to be able to get out in the community and let people know who they are as individuals and as a team. We also want people our students to reflect their individual personalities and their abilities as musicians.